Hi friends, my name is Katie. Today we're going to be opening some My Little Pony Play-Doh surprise cans. Let's start off with my favourite pony, Twilight Sparkle. And inside we have a My Little Pony dog tag, and these are the new ones, Series 2. And inside you get the checklist, the decal, which is basically a sticker, and here is Princess Luna, and the trading card, which is DJ Pwn Free. And here's the dog tag. It is Princess Celestia. She looks really cute. Next we have Rainbow Dash. And inside we have a Magicy Bunnies blind bag. And you get a flower with this. That's really cute. And here's the bunny. She looks adorable. And her name is Rosie. It says, I change colour in the sunshine. That's awesome. Pinkie Pie. And inside we have a Sheriff Callies blind bag, and I'm on the hunt for Sparky. So let's see if he's inside. Is it Sparky? Oh no, it's not Sparky, it's Toby. He's super cute and he looks very happy. Applejack. And we have a My Little Pony blind bag, and there are 12 ponies to collect, and here they all are. So let's see who we get inside. We have Bitter Luck, and she's always trying new things. Fluttershy. And we have a Littlest Pet Shop blind bag, and these are the new ones, Pets in the City. And we get this adorable pet. She comes with a flower accessory and this blue shoe that she sits in. How cute is this figure, guys? And last but not least, Rarity. And inside here, awesome, we have another Series 2 My Little Pony dog tag. I wonder who will get inside. I'm on the hunt for Twilight Sparkle because she is my favourite pony. Who is your favourite pony? Let me know in the comments. And here's the checklist again. The sticker, Fluttershy. And the trading card, Sweetie Belle. She's adorable. And here's the dog tag. It is Starlight Glimmer. She's really sweet. Well, that's all we have time for, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.